Let's make product manipulation. Change background color and bring product in PNG. Make a curtain shape with pen tool around product. Change color of shape and make small shape inside the curtain shape. Apply blur effect on all small shape in curtain. Do the same process with other side of curtain shape. Now make rectangle shape with white and apply outer glow effect on it. Make multiple copies of it and adjust it in different ways. Brush on background with dark and light shade. Make copy of curtain and apply blur effect with black color to make shadow. Do the same process with the other side. Thank you for watching.